I am going to do satin stitch. I have taken a maroon shaded thread, very simple. This is the way you do the satin stitch. The only thing that you have to be careful about is there shouldn't be too much of a gap between two stitches. And take slanting stitches instead of straight ones. That will look good. That's all. A very simple stitch. A very simple stitch used for filling. Only for this portion and this I am going to use a thread of different color, and I am going to do long and short stitch. Long and short stitch is also very similar to satin stitch. For this portion, I am going to use long and short stitch. So I have started from the middle and I am using a different color thread. This is another stitch which is used for filling. It's simple and it looks very good. Very simple stitch and it looks good. That's all. One stitch from below and another stitch over here. That is all. For the leaves, I am going to use satin stitch and this particular shade of green. You may use any shade of green. I'm going to use this for the leaves. For the long stem also, I am going to use the same shade of green. Simple stitch. We only have to take care to see that there is not too much of a gap between two stitches. After completing the flower, I am going to do the outline of each of these divisions with black and using stem stitch. For this, I have taken 4 strands of thread. For each division, this might take a little bit of time because you have to do it very slowly. Each division using black, and 4 strands of thread I have taken. For the stem, I am going to do satin stitch and use the same shade of green. I have taken 3 strands of thread and take slanting stitches, not straight. That would look better. Slanting stitches, very simple. That will look better. And 3 strands of thread. A simple stitch, very simple and easy to do. After completing the embroidery, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe.